Hi everyone, I hope you're well. I'm Melanie, I do food hauls and other bits and pieces. This is part 2 of my weekly food shop, although I've filmed it last, but that's the way it's happened. It's from Aldi, it came to £34.4. There is nothing missing. I actually convinced myself there was, but I had to go through the receipt to make sure I've definitely not had anything. So I've not had lunch, it's going up for 5 o'clock now. So I need to film this. So I've got, the Pepsi's from a different video. Oh, I don't need to show you that one. Anyway, reduced fat coconut milk, white chocolate, cereal bowls, protein yogurt, strawberry. Get down. No, I've told you there was nothing. No. No. Behave. Don't look at me like that. Huskies can be so mischievous. Really like them. The big food bags, I thought when I got one out this morning, there wasn't many left. I don't really know, now the dog's left behind me so I can't move. It's better to have too many than not enough. I've got 4 of these. I got a Slovakia style pita kit. It's got 4 plain pita breads, tzatziki. Oh, I can't even, I'm overthinking the word now. Anyway, that style sauce, Slovakia style seasoning. I bet I could buy all that cheaper, and I think you add chicken and something, I don't know. Anyway, it sounded good. These have been out the fridge hours. It's humid. They have been on the cold floor, so hopefully they're okay. They're actual proper hot dog size. Now, when I've had like meat from Aldi, especially like pork and beef minced stuff, it's been quite fatty, so hopefully they're good. Salted caramel flavour ice latte. I might make one of them right now because I've had not much to drink today. I had these a couple of weeks ago and I do really like them, and I wanted some crisps, so I've got them. My fabric conditioner's low. I've got the strawberry lily one. And it was either this or gold orchid. And I have got gold orchid a lot because it's probably my favourite. And I do like the fairy, so I thought I'll have the fairy this time. I got a whole grain rice because I definitely don't have any. I got some garlic and herb croutons, which are not for me because I sometimes find some croutons are really hard. Hot dog buns, the brioche ones. I think there's 6 when I only need 4. And I got some Greek style flame baked flatbreads. I almost got the protein ones, but this had a day longer on the date. That's the only reason why I chose them, because I couldn't choose between them. Sorry, Husky. So that's why I got them, just because they're slightly better date. Although I probably won't even have them on that date, but you never know. Buttermintos. I saw this on the checkout and I read the wrong price. It was $1.49, but I thought it was $49 because I think I was looking at the wrong thing. It is still cheap. I don't know if it's going to be good, but I've got it. Crispy onions were £1, so I got 2. They're not for me. I might have some, I don't know. I'm not a big onion fan, but I thought at £1 they were a good price. 1 protein coffee. The seeded granola protein strawberry, which is my favourite. And all they had was these, so I just got 1 of them. I've just had 2 or 3 of them. The dog may have had 1. And I got some ginger parkin biscuits, I don't know. I didn't get them for me, but I might have a bite of one or snap a bit off. I don't think I'm going to love it. I might do. I do like ginger, but I don't like ginger things. I don't know. Who knows? Is there anything missing? No. That's what I got. I think, yeah, was it £34, 40, whatever it was. I'm just struggling now. I think I need a cold drink and something to eat. Any questions, which I doubt you do, let me know. Please subscribe, please like the video. Have a wonderful day. I'll be back soon. Look out for the other parts. They will go up in order, hopefully. Yeah, thank you for watching, everyone.